We'll be showing you some tips and tricks for formatting your resume in both Google Docs and Microsoft Word. We will start out with a sample resume in Google Docs. The first trick that we will be showing you is how to change the size of your margins. Making your margins smaller can help you to keep your resume to one page. To change the size of your margins, select File, Page Setup, and then you can change them to whatever size you want. It is recommended to keep them to about 0.5. Now you can see that the space between the edge of the page and the start of your text is smaller, allowing for more text on the page. The next resume formatting tip will be about spacing. Creating spacing on your page is actually quite simple. Looking at the text that says May 2024, if you would like to make it go farther towards the right side of the page, you can simply hit the spacebar as many times as needed or use the tab bar. The third tip we will be sharing is how to do custom spacing. If you would like the space to be smaller when you hit the Enter key, you can place your cursor at the beginning of the line, go to Format, then Line and Paragraph Spacing, and select Custom Spacing. From there, you can change the spacing before and after the line to the number 6. As you can see, the spacing before and after the line that says Alpha Kappa Psi Business Fraternity is smaller now. The last tip that we will show you on Google Docs is how to find hidden characters. Select View, then Show Non-Printing Characters. Now you can see all of the places that you put spaces, tabs, and enters to help you figure out how to best format your resume. To hide the hidden characters again, simply select the Show Non-Printing Characters button once more. Now, we will be showing you all of the same resume tips and tricks, but for Microsoft Word. To change the size of the margins, select Layout, then Margins, and select one of the options. If you select 0.5, it will apply the same size margins as the resume on Google Docs. Next, for spacing, you can do the exact same thing on Word that you do on Google Docs. Simply use the spacebar or the tab bar to create spaces between words or lines. To create custom spacing, you will place your cursor at the beginning of the line, select Layout, and then you will be able to change the numbers under Spacing. Now, the spaces between lines are smaller. Lastly, to find hidden characters in Microsoft Word, go back to the Home tab and select the paragraph symbol. This will show you all of the same hidden characters like tabs, spaces, and enters. We hope that you learned some new tricks for formatting your resume. If you have any other questions about resumes, make an appointment with us through your CNU Handshake account.